back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Inside row number 2, the 53C, Colton Burdett from Parkersburg, West Virginia. Outside row number 2, 23S of Sonny Leak. He's from Middleburn, West Virginia. Row number 1, Ryan Payne, Pennsboro, West Virginia in the 12R. And outside row number 1, the 17KN of Brock Morris, Charleston, West Virginia. And the green flag is out. Out front, we got Brock Morris, Ryan Payne, Colton Burdett as they send it out of turn number 4. The super late model feature. Brock Morris out front, Payne, Burdett, Carpenter, your top 4. Number 17. That's the number 17. I believe he'll be leaving the track. 28, Tyler Carpenter. 47W, Brandon Weigel. Sonny Leak, your top 5. As they come out of turn number 4. We're back under green flag racing. 3 wide as they come out of turn number 2. Down the backstretch, still 3 wide. Coming out of turn 4, beating and banging. 26 into the wall. Tyler Carpenter. Into the wall. Ryan Payne, number 12R out front. Brandon Weigel, Tyler Carpenter, Colton Burdett, Sonny Leak. Super late model feature, 3 laps in the books, 22 laps to go. Ryan Payne out front, Brandon Weigel, Tyler Carpenter, Colton Burdett. They're lining up, coming into turn 3. Field starts to lean as they come out of turn 4. Ryan Payne out front, Brandon Weigel, Tyler Carpenter, as they send it into turn 3 out of 4. The 28 of Tyler Carpenter hit the fence a while ago, just takes over the top spot here, super late models with 21 laps to go. Your leader, his car barely hanging on. 5 laps are in the books for Tyler Carpenter, number 28. Parkersburg, West Virginia. Brandon Weigel, top shelf, where mama hides the good stuff, coming out of turn number 3 into 4. Now Brandon Weigel slowly sets his sights, reeling in the 28 of Tyler Carpenter and this super late model feature. Brandon Weigel, about 5 car lengths back. Ryan Payne, the 12R, and the 53 of Colton Burdett, followed by the 32 of Brian Baumberger. The 44 car slows as they come into turn number 1. Dylan Lewis brings out the cam safety caution here at Tyler County Speedway. Super late model feature. 9 laps are in the books. 25 lap feature. Tyler Carpenter in turn 4 right now, hooking him up to the Dragon Wagon.
He's backing up from it.
Oh, he's backing up from it. With his nose a dragon, Tyler Carpenter has no quit in him. The number 28 back under his own power. We'll see what happens. Once there's some speed in that machine, that front end should come off the ground and he might be good. We'll find out. Two laps to go for Brandon Weigel. Super late model feature here tonight at Tyler County Speedway. The white flag is in the air for Brandon Weigel. Middleburn, West Virginia, 47W. Super late model feature. Here is your winner. 47W, Brandon Weigel. Man, that was crazy. Tyler Carpenter earlier, I thought he was coming back, and then we see smoke. And Brandon Weigel is your winner, 47W. Colton Burdett and Brian Baumberger. Brandon Weigel. How about a big round of applause for number 47W, Brandon Weigel.
Let's give Brandon a big round of applause as he climbs out of the car. Congratulations, Brandon, on your win tonight.
Thank you, thank you. That's a racy racetrack right there. That's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it looked like he was driving the wheels off of it.
Yeah, it felt like I was popping a wheelie about every time I got back on the gas, but we had her hooked up. We had her hooked up for sure. I'd like to thank my dad and Papa, he can't be here, Joe, Marvin, Matthew, everybody. My mom, beautiful girlfriend, Reagan, and just everybody. And Eddie Carrier, he's here tonight, and he's been helping us a lot and helping me out and figure this thing out and how to get things going. So can't thank everybody enough. And obviously I have to thank your Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ.
Well, congratulations on your win.